In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo from Google Chrome address bar. If you've noticed that searches from your Chrome address bar are opening with Yahoo instead of Google, it usually means your default search engine was changed. We're going to switch it back so that anything you type in the address bar uses Google again. This takes just a minute, and the change applies immediately. Start by opening Google Chrome. With Chrome open, look to the very top right corner of the window for the icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button that opens Chrome's main controls and settings. Click it to open the menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab where you can adjust how Chrome behaves. Don't worry, everything we're doing here is safe and reversible. The option we need controls what Chrome uses when you type into the address bar, sometimes called the Omnibox. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Search Engine. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might see it listed in the left sidebar or directly on the main page of settings. Click Search Engine to open its options. Here you'll see a line that reads something like Search Engine used in the address bar. To the right, there's a button or drop-down labeled Change. Click Change. You'll now see a list of available search engines. Select Google from the list. If you see an option that says Set as default after choosing Google, click that as well. Setting Google as the default tells Chrome to use Google every time you search from the address bar, so you won't be redirected to Yahoo anymore. On some versions, simply choosing Google applies the change right away. On others, that Set as default confirmation makes it stick, so make sure you click it if it appears. That's the entire fix. From now on, when you type a word, phrase, or web address into the top bar in Chrome, your results will come from Google as expected. If any labels in your settings look a little different, just remember you're looking for the Search Engine section and the option that controls the search engine used in the address bar. Pick Google and confirm it as the default. A quick note for the future. This setting can change if software or a browser add-on modifies your preferences, so it's always a good idea to pay attention during installs and keep Chrome updated. And that's it. Simple, fast, and you're back to Google. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Chrome address bar working the way you want.